Hello, and welcome to Online Marketing Queen's channel review segment. Today we will review Clickfunnels 2.0. This video will cover everything you need to know about Clickfunnels 2.0, the full features, the pros and cons of Clickfunnels to help you make an informed decision if Clickfunnels 2.0 is the right solution for you and your business. Below inside the video description section, you can click on the link we have provided to learn more about Clickfunnels 2.0 or learn along this video as we do the review. This link will give you free trial access to the new Clickfunnels 2.0 software so you can test drive and decide if it is the right option for you and your business. So, without further ado, let's begin our review. First, before we dive into our review, here is an overview of what we will cover in this video. We are going to review the Clickfunnels user interface. How can we access the Clickfunnels platform? How can we access the elements and functionalities of new Clickfunnels? In other words, how easy is it to design and execute tasks required to use Clickfunnels 2.0? We will review the new Clickfunnels features and how they work. What can you do? Pricing plans of Clickfunnels 2.0. And the pros and cons of Clickfunnels 2.0 for us. Again, if you want to come along with us as we review Clickfunnels 2.0, you can test drive it for free by a link below in the description section. Okay, let's begin. For this video, we will log into our brand new Clickfunnels 2.0 account. By the way, the entire process of signing up for a free trial account has been swift and easy, and later we decided to upgrade to the paid plan. Stay with us and we will reveal to you why. Great, we are inside the Clickfunnels 2.0 dashboard, and this is where we can assess the user interface. To start, we love the interface's clean, lighter, and minimalistic look. Compared to the older version of Clickfunnels, the new interface has a fresh look and updated design. The centered search button above the main work area and the placement of the Clickfunnels elements on the left looks organized. We love the fact that we can see and find things easily. Plus, this approach to design is genius, as we are all used to platforms with a similar interface. Anytime we don't have to spend time learning how to use the interface instead of using it, it's a great win for us. Okay, on our screen, we see an interactive follow-along checklist in the main area to expedite the setup process. It is a great feature for any user, regardless of their experience, because it expedites the learning process and setup. The faster you launch your funnel, the faster you can make money. Keep in mind, Clickfunnels 2.0 is still developing additional features. Here, as they tweak and test more features, they ask real-time users to provide feedback or new feature suggestions. Who knows? Maybe you can provide valuable feedback that others can benefit greatly from. Wouldn't that be awesome? The Clickfunnels team created help videos to help users with setup. The next step is set up your funnel hub. Well, as you can see, your funnel hub is the home page of your business. In this video, the creators of the Funnel Hub, Mike and AJ, will explain in great detail what Funnel Hub is and how to set it up once you get here. We highly recommend you watch their video, as we cannot do it here. Funnel Hub is the first point of contact for your customers with you. In other words, what do they see when they find you or your business online? Is it a website or a landing page? These guys get another genius point from Online Marketing Queens because of their approach to creating Funnel Hub by starting the setup process by creating your landers first. Why do we like this approach? Because we at Online Marketing Queens believe if your clients don't like what they see, they will not do business with you. Unfortunately, the book is judged by the cover in the digital world. And the first impression is the most crucial part of building the funnel. If the customers do not like what they see, don't bother building out the rest. Think of the Funnel Hub as an online mall where we shop our look for our first face-to-face meeting with potential clients to do business with us. The question is, what kind of options do we have here? Are there any complete looks known to work best for other businesses like ours? Or if we have a certain look in mind that worked best for us in the past, and we want to pick and choose the elements? Clickfunnels 2.0 can do both. You can satisfy your creative genius and design the perfect landing page or website from scratch. Or, if you are not a designer, then pick from your options from templates and tweak them to fit your needs. We love the new Clickfunnels 2.0 Liquid Drag and Drop Builder. It is impressively fast and easy to use. One of the great features not available in the original ClickFunnels software is the new theme-centric design option, rather than individual funnel elements and design elements, which means universal header and footer sections for your website. Once you have configured your header and footer sections with your branding colors, logo, and essential pages, such as privacy, terms, and disclosures, it will be configured automatically in the rest of the platform sections. This is a huge time saver. Going back to design options, there are limited choices right now. There are only 4 themes to choose from. However, we are confident that more options will be added soon. Okay, the next step is setting up your blog site, and this is a great feature as it will allow you to incorporate your sales funnels with your blog site seamlessly. This option was not available in Clickfunnels 1.0. This is one of the main differences between these two versions of the ClickFunnel. The next step guides you through the course setup. For those whose business model includes digital products, online training, or membership courses, this feature alone will transform your business. The easy-to-follow instructions with supplemental videos allow you to execute steps fast. Another great feature we must talk about is the ability to match your course platform with your existing site or sales pages to match your business brand. This is again a huge time saver. Of course, it's up to you to choose any other themes or looks entirely. But cohesive branding provides a greater level of trust between your business and its customers. Building your membership site using the same drag-and-drop interface is simple and fast. Inside, you can use pre-built course module templates to expedite your setup process and customize it to fit your individual needs. Pre-built options are designed for video content and will have the video player placed inside the module. However, if you want simple text or audio content, you can build it from scratch. The next step leads you to workflows, email, products, etc. Here in the main area, the actual follow-along steps are not provided. Instead, we access them from the Marketing tab on the left. As you go through the dashboard, you will see grayed out tabs, meaning these functions are yet to be released. We mentioned earlier Clickfunnels 2.0 is still in the development stage. There are some elements yet to be released. We are confident it won't be long because the Clickfunnels team's goal with their new platform was to develop a superior, all-in-one platform running an online business. And the last step in the main area setup follow-along steps is your payment gateway setup. You'll need to configure your payment gateway to sell your products and/or services. This brings us to another feature of Clickfunnels 2.0 that is new and was not part of the older version. A full e-commerce site builder, as well as a CRM, a customer relationship management platform. Contacts, clients, orders, sales, collaborators. It's an impressive and easy-to-use CRM that you and your team can work with. Now we are moving on to our favorite ClickFunnels 2.0 feature, analytics. Real-time analytics allow you to run numerous reports to understand better what's working and not in your business. As you can see, sales reports, course activity, page views, opt-ins, and subscriptions. It is impressive and detailed. The live view option is a total game changer as you can see what activity is taking place. This is a great function to use during launches. Below, you can access Clickfunnels training videos and an option to connect your Clickfunnels 1.0 with your new Clickfunnels account. In addition, the Clickfunnels platform has many supplemental training videos and supporting documents, as well as training courses to help users jumpstart their online businesses. We can also confirm that the ClickFunnels support team responds timely and is eager to help you if you need additional help. Now let's talk about the technical aspects of ClickFunnels 2.0. Although the name of ClickFunnels 2.0 suggests it's an upgraded and improved version of the original ClickFunnels, the new version was built entirely from the ground up, and it's a standalone software. It is lighter, more powerful, and faster. Page load speed test compared to ClickFunnels 1.0 and other alternative products in the market showed that ClickFunnels 2.0 is much faster. This is, of course, an advantage you can have over your competition. Now, about ClickFunnels 2.0 pricing plans. You can choose 3 options from Basic, Pro, and Funnel Hacker, ranging from $147 to $497. However, right now, you can get a great discount on the original price. The highest discount is available with the annual plan. Remember, these prices are at the time we recorded this video. We do not control and cannot guarantee these prices. Now we are moving on to the pros and cons of ClickFunnels 2.0. Pros of ClickFunnels 2.0 for us. Clean and easy to user interface. Fast and easy follow-along setup. Liquid drag-and-drop page builder. Theme-based design option. Universal site elements. Ability to create a fully functioning website such as blog site, e-commerce, membership and course site builder. Email marketing and CRM, a customer relationship management platform. Real-time analytics. Incredible speed. Tons of training videos and great support. Cons of ClickFunnels 2.0 for us. The platform is not fully developed, meaning some features are coming soon. Of course, it's a temporary hindrance. The limited theme templates to choose from which is a temporary hindrance as well. The Affiliate Center is not fully launched. The number of websites under plans Basic and Pro, you can only have one website under both plans. The difference is how many funnels you can have. We would have liked more websites. Let's talk about the pricing a little more. Does it worth it? We cannot answer this question for you because every business is unique. But we can give you our opinion and why we think the way we do and decided to upgrade to the paid plan. In Online Marketing Queens, we learned that timing is everything. After years of running an online business, we know that our time is our most valuable resource. Anytime we consider a new tool, our main focus is to gain more time to do the most important things that can generate more income. So, by assessing ClickFunnels 2.0, we decided it is a great tool for us, considering all the functionalities and features we are getting for the price. For us, ClickFunnels 2.0 freed up more time, increasing our productivity. The period from setup to launch was considerably shorter than other options we used. Also, it organized and streamlined our online business. So, we recommend carefully analyzing what is most important for you and your business. Consider the overall cost of all the features and benefits you can gain in terms of money and your vested time. A website builder, blog builder, A&B split testing, analytics, email marketing, membership sites, CRM, team collaboration, affiliate program, e-commerce site, shopping cart builder, AI payment gateway, and more. How much will all these tools cost you independently? How much will it cost to configure? We can tell you that independently it costs a lot. Our final verdict is ClickFunnels 2.0 is an impressive and powerful tool. Hey, if you find this video helpful, please show us your love and leave us a like and click subscribe button. It does support the video so others can see it. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment below. Don't forget to read the video description section to learn more and access free resources we have provided. And remember, we at Online Marketing Queens believe in your success.